Introducing the Triumph Tiger 900 GT Pro, a versatile motorcycle built for adventure and everyday riding. Powered by a liquid-cooled 12-valve DOHC inline 3-cylinder engine, delivering 108 PS of peak power and 90 Nm of torque. Features a tubular steel trellis frame, cast aluminum rear subframe, twin-sided cast aluminum swingarm, and top-notch suspension components. Equipped with Brembo Stylema 4-piston monobloc calipers for the front brakes and a single-piston sliding caliper for the rear brake, boasts a full-color 7-inch TFT instrument pack with My Triumph connectivity system. Available in Graphite Sapphire Black, Carnival Red Sapphire Black, and Snowdonia White Sapphire Black. Starting from 13,895, the Tiger 900 GT Pro is the perfect blend of performance, comfort, and style, making it an ideal choice for riders who demand the best.